Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video, we'll discuss the 4 Ps of marketing and 2 major types of marketing. So let's start. The 4 Ps of marketing is a basic formula for identifying and working with the essential elements of your marketing strategy. Productions is essential and serves as the foundation for all marketing efforts. A product can be anything a company provides to meet consumer needs. Price assessment will impact supply and demand dynamics and marketing strategies. Products and brands may need unique market positioning based on pricing. Companies should consider unit costs, market pricing, and distribution expenses when setting prices. Marketing focuses on placing products or services in the right locations at the right times, which is essential for converting leads into customers. An effective distribution strategy ensures that potential clients can easily access offerings while enjoying a smooth purchasing experience. To showcase my product or service, I will utilize marketing strategies that highlight its benefits. This includes social media, targeted ads, and partnerships to reach potential customers and boost sales. 2 major types of marketing. First, traditional marketing. Second, modern marketing. Traditional marketing includes billboards, TV ads, and radio commercials, and uses a spray and pray approach, targeting a wide audience with the hope that a few will engage. However, it struggles with tracking ROI and often reaches people who aren't interested in the product at all. Modern marketing is all about truly understanding what customers desire and delivering exactly what they need. This tailored approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives loyalty. The most dynamic form of modern marketing is digital marketing.